Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how I cook these wings in this air fryer. So inside is this small area where you can put your food. It's 2 quarts. It goes up to 400 degrees. It only cooks for a half hour at a time. So I'm going to test this out to see how well it works. I have never used an air fryer prior to maybe a few days ago, but I like it. This is a small unit, maybe for like a college student, a single person, but you cannot fit a lot of things in it. So I'm going to compare it to this can. See, it's pretty small. You can't put too much in there. So what I did was just cut up the wings into small pieces and season it with a little salt, pepper, paprika. So you can season whatever you want. As you can see, I can only put maybe 4 to 5 pieces in. Pretty much I don't want to overload it, so I'm gonna just cook a small batch at a time. And then in the middle of cooking it, I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. I'm gonna set it for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. I'm gonna do 2 batches. The first batch is gonna be at 350 for 12 minutes. Halfway through, I'm gonna turn it on the other side and then cook it for the remaining 6 minutes and see how it comes out. Okay, so this is halfway through. As you can see, they are getting cooked, but I feel in my head that I need to turn it over just to get it both sides brown. So I don't know if that's just a psychological thing with me. If I just put it in there and leave it alone, will it get brown on both sides? I don't know. I never had one of these before, so I don't know what it does as far as browning both sides. Okay, so that's 12 minutes, and this is what it looks like for the temperature of 350. So as you can see, this here is a non-stick coating. I would think after some time that coating probably would start to wear off. So I don't know how long it'll be before it starts to wear off, but it washes off pretty good with soap and water and a sponge. So this is what it looks like. They look pretty good. They did taste like grilled chicken. It did not give the texture of fried. So this is the second batch. I'm gonna put it for 12 minutes and I'm hitting it at 400 degrees. So we're gonna see how this comes out with the same time frame, if it will come out any darker. So this is halfway through again. I do have 1 piece of chicken that was covering that one there. You can see it did not get brown, so it is a little bit overloaded. I think, in my opinion, it may be too many pieces of chicken in there at one time. I've seen bigger machines, but this one here is pretty small, so it's not going to hold a lot of pieces of chicken. So now this is 12 minutes, 400 degrees. You can see there is a difference. It is a little darker, which to me would give it that more crispy texture. And it did. It came out tasting a lot better and crispier than the first batch. Okay guys, so I'm going to wrap this up. If you have an air fryer, leave a comment. Let me know what kind you have, what kind of food you put into your air fryer. I'm going to be using this for a while. I just need to figure out what else I can put in there and cook besides wings and fries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.